In this video, I will explain how billing works for tawk.to's AI Assist add-on. Let's dive in. First, let's cover the 4 plans available for AI Assist. 1. Hobby. This is free, with 100 AI message credits per month. No payment method is required. 2. Growth Plan. $29 per month or $290 per year for 1,000 AI message credits per month. 3. Business Plan. $99 per month or $990 per year for 5,000 credits per month, plus shared account management and assisted onboarding. 4. Enterprise Plan. $399 per month or $3,990 per year for 20,000 credits, with a dedicated account manager and assisted onboarding. If you are upgrading from an annual plan, your new plan's credits will be added on top of the credits available from your previous plan, and the billing takes place immediately. The plan you choose will determine how many AI message credits you have available. You can see how many messages you have remaining in the AI Assist settings. If you use up the available message credits in your plan, we will notify you via dashboard. You can either upgrade your plan or wait until the next billing cycle for a top-up. Please be advised that one outgoing message by AI equals 1 credit, so if there's 3 messages sent by AI, that will be 3 credits. To upgrade your plan, navigate to Add-ons, AI Assist, and click the Upgrade button. You will be presented with the available plans there. Additional messages will be allocated immediately after the upgrade. If you are upgrading from an annual plan, your new plan's credits will be added on top of the credits available from your previous plan, based on the billing cycle for each plan. If you have any questions about how billing works, please visit our community center or schedule a call with us by clicking the link in the description.